Okay, then go.
Go on it.
Hello and welcome to Cooking with Anand. Today we have very special guests,
Hannah.
Anna and Hannah.
lots of different Anna and Hannah action happening right now, and we are going to be making Super Bowl party food. We're going to be making
Party dips.
French bread pizza and garlic bread.
And cookies and cream cheese balls.
Yay!
So today, to make our cookies and cream cheese balls, we're gonna start off by separating the chocolate from the filling in 20 Mega Stuffed Oreos.
Badoop.
Just like that.
We separated all the Oreo creams, and if you don't have Mega Stuffed Oreos, you could also use normal Oreos, or you could just make your own chocolate cookies and your own vanilla icing, and that would also work, but this is a Super Bowl, and we don't have any time for that. So we're gonna add this to the bowl, along with cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar, and then we are going to mix that until it's really smooth. We have separated a third of the Oreos into a separate bowl.
And then we're gonna crush them.
And make sure you use the prettier Oreos to keep, because these we're going to use to dip as dippers into our dip. That is the cheese dip.
And now we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of this here cream cheese filling, and we're going to put it in a piping bag.
And you can adjust the sweetness to whatever you want.
So now that we're done mashing up all of our Oreos into some sizable crumbs and some also powder, we're going to add it to our cream cheese mixture.
And then you just want to fold this in just a little bit, because it looks pretty when it's striated with little bits of brown and white, so you can really see like the cookies and the cream.
That's a nice word. And now we're going to put it on the plate and kind of shape it to the size of a football.
The general size. We're not artists here. Now we have shaped this into a football, and just remember, your family loves you no matter what, so it doesn't matter if your football looks like some other sports ball. But anyway.
Let's show them this. It looks like a football. You see this?
Yes, Hannah was a pro, but if you do not have a Hannah in your family, then it might be rough.
Now we're gonna throw this into the fridge for a while.
Okay, so now our football-shaped cheese dip has been sitting for a while now, and now we're gonna melt some chocolate to make a chocolate shell to go on top of it. And remember, all of the recipe ingredients and quantities are in the description box below the video. We have melted the chocolate, and I added a little bit of oil to thin it out, and now we're just gonna put it on top of our
Ooh, that was
football.
so nice!
Yes, it just ripples down so beautifully. And then you just kind of want to spread it around and make sure it covers everything, and it should set hard in just a few seconds because it was cold from the fridge.
So now that the chocolate is all hardened, we're gonna pipe on the football laces.
This is an optional step because thankfully we have an artist here. But you know, do whatever you want. It's your canvas for design. Make it you.